Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English literature. And in this video we are going to discuss morality plays between the age of Chaucer and Spenser. Introduction. The later Middle Ages witnessed a rapid growth in native drama, setting the stage for the great age of Elizabethan theatre. This period marked the transition from medieval theatrical traditions to more structured forms of drama, eventually culminating in the masterpieces of Shakespeare and his contemporaries. This video explores the development of morality plays and the broader evolution of medieval drama from the age of Chaucer to Spenser, highlighting key influences, characteristics, and notable works. Ancient classical drama and medieval festivities. The ancient classical drama, though once a vital force, had long ceased to be influential by the Middle Ages. The only trace of this classical heritage was found in the mimes or professional strolling players scattered across Europe. Medieval drama, however, owed little to these remnants. Instead, it evolved from popular mummings at great festivals, which were crude survivals of ancient pagan rituals. These festivities featured elaborate amusements, including Morris dancing and dramatizations of heroes such as Robin Hood and Saint George. The Abbot of Unreason, along with his attendants, the hobby horse and the clown, provided much popular fun and license during these events. The rise of morality plays. A significant advancement in medieval drama was the development of the morality play. These plays presented virtues and vices as allegorical characters, often depicted with much liveliness. Common characters included abstractions such as justice, mercy, gluttony, and vice. Morality plays were notable for their development of characterization, which, although sometimes crude, was strongly marked and contrasted, often incorporating broad, farcical elements. The favorite comic character was Vice, whose chief duty was to tease the devil. Example of a morality play, Every Man. Among the morality plays, Every Man stands out as perhaps the best example. The play effectively draws simple but compelling characters and explores themes of morality and the importance of good deeds. The character Every Man faces death and finds that all his worldly companions, beauty, strength, and discretion abandon him. Only good deeds remains, emphasizing the play's moral that spiritual virtues are what truly endure. This work does not lack noble pathos, making it a significant piece in the history of medieval drama. The Interlude. The interlude, flourishing around the mid-16th century, represented another step in the evolution of drama. These short plays introduced real characters, usually of humble rank such as citizens and friars, and moved away from allegorical figures. They featured broad farcical humor, often coarse, and included set scenes, a new feature in English drama. John Haywood, one of the most gifted writers of interludes, penned noble works like The Four Ps, which depicts a lying match between a peddler, a palmer, a pardoner, and a apothecary. His Johann Johann is known for its sharp wit and clever sayings. Earliest dramas and classical influence. By around 1550, the earliest English dramas began to appear, significantly influenced by the renewed study of classical drama, particularly the works of Seneca. These classical influences introduced features such as 5 acts, set scenes, and conventional characters and plots. Gorboduc, 1562, written by Sackville and Norton, is considered the earliest known tragedy and was performed during the Christmas revels of the Inner Temple. Other early tragedies such as Appius and Virginia 1563 and Jocasta 1566 exhibited similar characteristics. Development of historical plays. Alongside the classical tragedies, a healthier native breed of historical plays emerged. These plays dramatized early chronicles and combined both tragic and comic elements, a union that was alien to the classical drama but became a hallmark of the Elizabethan stage. Early historical plays such as the famous victories of Henry V before 1588 and the troublesome reign of King John before 1591 set the stage for the historical dramas of Shakespeare, blending narrative and dramatic elements in innovative ways. Development of comedies. The development of comedies during this period drew heavily on Latin comic authors like Plautus and Italian models, while also incorporating elements from English mumming traditions. These comedies were typically composed in mixed verse and prose, featuring primitive humor, but often with a lively spirit and good humor. Ralph Roister Doister, 1551, by Nicholas Udall, is the earliest extant English comedy and showcases the evolving style of comedic drama. Another notable comedy, Gammer Gurton's Needle, 1575, is known for its abundant humor, though it is less refined. Example of early comedy, Ralph Roister Doister. Ralph Roister Doister exemplifies early English comedy with its use of everyday characters and humorous situations. The play includes characters like Christian Constance and Marjorie Mumblecrust, who engage in humorous dialogues that reflect the natural speech of the time. These early comedies, though sometimes crude, provided important groundwork for the more sophisticated comedies of the Elizabethan era. Conclusion. The development of morality plays and medieval drama from the age of Chaucer to Spenser laid the foundation for the golden age of Elizabethan theatre. The transition from crude medieval festivities to structured forms of drama involved a rich tapestry of influences and innovations. The abundant and vital material produced during this period set the stage for the masterpieces of Shakespeare and his contemporaries, making one of the most significant periods in the history of English literature. The evolution of drama during these centuries exemplifies the dynamic interplay between tradition and innovation, leading to a flourishing of theatrical art that continues to inspire to this day. So this was the discussion on the morality plays between the age of Chaucer and Spenser. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.